Hey y'all, what is shakin'? Welcome to my channel. If you are just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. My name is SoulSisterShelley and welcome to the Phoenix Rising Tribe, where we overcome and tackle life's obstacles, come out smarter, stronger, and more powerful on the other side. So, this is the part 2 to my intro video. I'm going to hopefully make sure that it is not as long as the first one. I apologize for that. So hopefully we can try to do like Soul Sister Shelley in 6 minutes. We'll see if I can make that happen. So let's get her done. All right. So what I want to talk about in this video today is what we are going to talk about. I'm going to talk about what we're going to talk about, and I'm going to talk about kind of my approach. So if you have yet to subscribe, like, or share, please do so now below. And if you have any comments during the video or other things that you'd like to discuss, I'd love to hear about it. So with that being said, what are we going to discuss on this channel? Well, just about everything, to be honest. So when I say we're going to tackle life's obstacles or challenges, I actually don't even like to call them obstacles. I don't like to call them problems. Life is life. We have ups and downs. It's a roller coaster. It's a journey, and you learn as you go, right? So I like to call it life's challenges. So we're going to tackle life's challenges, but I'm a big believer in tackling life's challenges from a 3-angle approach, let's call it that. So I do believe for us to live a whole and full and abundant life, we need to do it with our mind, our body, and our spirit. Okay, so basically what I mean by that is that we are spirit. We are spirit, and we have a soul, we have a mind, our soul is our mind, and we live in a body. But when we're trying to tackle things that, adversity that comes our way in life, I truly believe that it's important that we touch on all aspects of this, our mind, our body, and our spirit. So I am going to try to take that approach. And with that being said, what are we going to discuss? Well, as I sat down to make this intro video and I was kind of writing down what all I wanted to say, I decided to grab a postcard, or a note card rather, and literally write down some of the things that I have had to overcome in my life. And so if you can see this, I don't expect you all to read it, but let's see, there's a glare from my ring light. How about that? Okay, so I stopped at 22 or 24. So these are things that in the past, well, just 2-3 decades or whatnot, that either things that I've personally experienced, personally had to overcome, or someone that has been very close to me has had to overcome, or someone that has been in my life that's been important to me that I've helped overcome these challenges. So listen up. If any of these things have happened to you, as I said, they've either happened to me or happened to somebody close to me, and this list is not exhaustive. I said I stopped at, I think there's 24 or 26, so I'll try to read through them quickly, but listen closely, see if you can catch any of them that happened to you. If you have ever had financial problems, health issues, major family conflicts, sick loved ones, job loss, breakups, divorce, loss of a home, homelessness, bankruptcy, legal problems, death of family members, suicide, tragic accidents, injuries, sick children, addiction, DUIs, anxiety, depression, mental illness, alcoholism, abuse, codependency, teenage pregnancy or unplanned pregnancies, eating disorders, cancer, self-worth, mental illness, oh, I said that twice, dementia, Alzheimer's, and I'll stop there. Okay, now, with that being said, here's the disclaimer. If any of those things have happened to you, you know someone that's happened to, or they've touched your life in some way, shape, or form, you are in the right place. Well, here's the disclaimer. Obviously, these are really, really heavy subjects, and the intent of this channel is to not be, how do I say this? To not be a place that we come and cry all the time. Now, there may be some tears. I mean, as I said, this stuff is either happened to me or happened to someone close to me. So obviously it's gonna get emotional here. I will get probably emotional. I'm gonna do my best to try to be strong and keep it together because we are the Phoenix Rising. We come out stronger, smarter, and more powerful. Boom. But my pap used to always tell me, this is the disclaimer because my grandparents' picture is sitting right here on my desk. So they're looking right at me right now. I hope you're proud of me. You too. They're no longer with us. So my pap used to always say that sometimes the only sense you can make out of life is a sense of humor. So even though I know these are really heavy subjects, I'm going to try to put a spin on them and try to make them a little bit easier to cope and deal with. So there will be humor involved, and I will make videos. I'm just going to be completely transparent. I'm going to make videos where it's just going to be me being me, you know? Sometimes, like I said, my pap said, there's only sense you can make out of life is a sense of humor. And so laughter through tears is my favorite emotion. So sometimes, for me, one of my coping mechanisms is when things get really difficult, sometimes I just gotta laugh about it. I've just gotta laugh about it, you know? So if that rubs you the wrong way, then you are probably not in the right place. But if that's something that you can deal with, or that you might like that kind of twist on it, then definitely stick around. Okay, so what else did I want to say? One more thing. My goal of this channel is to make your life better. And I truly, honestly believe that is the reason I was put on this earth, to lift people up, to inspire, cheer them on, help them get through dark times, difficult times, hard times. And if I cannot direct you or point you in the right direction, or give you some advice because of my life experience, I hope that if nothing else, I can make you realize that you are not alone. You are not the only one feeling the way you're feeling, and you're not the only one going through what you're going through, or someone else has gone through that and they understand. So if nothing else, and really at the end of the day, my hope is that I can just help you all dream more, learn more, do more, become more. You know, if I can do those things, then I've accomplished my goal. And if I can put a smile on your face at the end of the day, then I've accomplished my goal as well. So, I want nothing more than for everyone to live an abundant life. Putting a smile on your face is just the beginning, okay? So, I want you to live an abundant life. I want it to be full of peace, love, and happiness. And thank you all for stopping by. I hope to see you soon. I am going to be recording and posting every Wednesday, and at least the first Friday of every month starting off. And for this month of November, this Friday is the first Friday. So now that I've got my intros out of the way, on Friday we will tackle some content, and I already know what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to try to start out pretty light, but on Friday I already know what I'm going to discuss. So I hope you come back and join me. I'll try to get it out in the morning and up by the afternoon and not wait until the evening. So I'm still learning, y'all. I'm just learning. So hope everybody is having a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, at whatever time you're listening to this. I love y'all. Peace, love, happiness. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches.